My name is Tatenda Njingayamoto and I'm in Form 4. I live at Irene Farm. My walk to school is about 5 kilometers. I have to wake up somewhere around 5 and 6 o'clock. I start the journey to school and arrive somewhere around 7:35. And my goals in life is to study so hard so I can become a medical doctor. For me to become a medical doctor, I have to study subjects like English, science, and biology.
Our school was established in January 2013 as a satellite, physically located at Kaguvi Vocational Training Center. We started with a number of 7 students, 2 girls and 5 boys. That was in 2013 with a total staff complement of 5 teachers. As we speak today, we have a total enrollment of 164 students, of which 90 are boys and the rest are girls. The challenges we were facing generally were the methods of instruction that we were using. Generally, the rote memorization was the method of instruction. Basically, that was the method that the teachers mostly relied on, where the teacher would use a textbook and the chalkboard to deliver lessons, and where media generally was not availed, it was limited.
Studying subjects like science was very difficult. Even if we kept studying, but doing experiments was so difficult. And we tried so hard. And most of the time experiments are marked out of 20, and many subjects, their goals was around 5 and 9. So reaching above 15 was so difficult because the experiments were read inside the textbook. We are not practicing them.
Technology, we normally call it ICT, is the in thing. Our learners are supposed to be exposed to information technology and gadgets that use modern way of communicating, modern way of doing business, modern way of doing all things that we do in life at infants. And they have to grow up in the department of ICT, that they can operate any gadget at any one given time, even in business, at school, at home, anywhere else you may think of.
The reason why we started Nhava was that I remember when I was in school in Kwekwe here at Mbizo High School, there was an experiment that we were supposed to do for evapotranspiration, whereby we were asked to go and take a plastic bag, find a tree, and then you wrap around the plastic bag around a branch of tree so that you come back the following day and see what is going to happen. So when we came back the next day, we found that there was water that was collected inside the plastic bag. So the idea of Nhava Smart Classroom started from there, because what we realized was that schools that do not have enough infrastructure, they do not have exposure to technology. So as a company, we decided to come up with an idea to say, how can we close the gap between technology and schools that are not geographically accessible and schools that do not have electricity, like here at Handa's Secondary School. The process of setting up Nhava is very simple, because we have one carry case which has everything inside. Inside the case you have a laptop, so all you have to do is open that carry case, and then you take out the laptop and you connect it on the charger, and then you switch it on. Take out the document scanner, you unfold it, and then you place it. You'll see an area that is demarcated to show where the document scanner is supposed to be. And then from there, you take out the projector. and then you set it up facing the projection board. And then from there, you can now switch on your laptop, you can take out your external hard drive, and then the most crucial part, you take out the solar panel, the 4-panel solar kit. You take it out and then you put it outside, and then you connect it on the DC, and then you come and connect it on the Nhava Smart Classroom. So the moment you do that, everything now is solar powered, and then you can start using the kit.
When we got the Nhava Smart Classroom Kit, everybody in the school was excited, both the teachers and the learners.
Life has changed so much after the introduction of the Nhava project. It has been very helpful to the school because now people have more interest in mathematics because they can now see the geometrical concepts being done on the boards by the projector.
Gadget rakanaka zvikuru, midziyo yakanaka zvikuru, inobetsera tazviona kuti vana vari kwanisa kuishandisa, nevarairidzi vari kwanisa kuishandisa kudzidzisa masubjects avo, math, science, geography, chinova chinhu chakanaka.
I see myself achieving the goal of becoming a medical doctor because the Nhava is helping us a lot and it's making things more easier than before.
Saka isiri kura chikuru chinoichi tinokutendai nekuuya kwedu, dai chiramba chakadaro chiwedzerwe chite number 1 muno Midlands.
Inini semubereki ndinonzwa kufara nokuti vana vedu vanovhurikawo njere uye vana vedu kana vakuendererawo mberi nezvidzidzo vanoenda vaine ruzivo.
As the head girl of this school, on behalf of the whole school, I want to thank you all for the Nhava, for the technology. We are having fun and the confidence is rising up again. To the headmaster, I say thank you for the technology. Keep doing that for us so we can achieve our goals so easily. Thank you a lot.